In this video, I will be going over some of the different options using text in Cricut Design Space. So the first thing you want to do is add a text box, and we're going to add some text. In this box, you can write whatever you want, and then that will show you the size of the text. If you have clicked on it and moved it, you can still edit your text by double clicking, and that will bring that text box back up. You can adjust your text by clicking on your font here and change that. It will default to ones that you will need to pay for. You can scroll through here and find ones that you don't need to pay for, or you can click on System and that will filter out all the ones that you need to pay for, or click on Cricut and those will filter all the ones that come with Cricut Access. So we're going to pick a font, and that is what your font looks like. You can then, if you're happy with the size of it, you can go right there and make it. If you want to adjust the size, you can use this arrow here and that will adjust the size there. Or you can change the size here as well. And if you know the size that you would like the letters to be, you can adjust them here. It defaults to centimeters, so if you are not familiar with centimeters, you may need to go and find a centimeters to inches conversion so you can have an idea of how big the letters are going to be. Another thing you may want to do is ungroup these letters. Sometimes the letters will be a size that don't fit comfortably on the page when you cut them out. So ungrouping them will mean that the letters are all individual, and then it will tell the machine that they can be shifted around and you can fit more letters on one page at a time. And this way you can also adjust the size of the letters individually if you want them to be bigger or smaller. You can do that. You can then, once you are finished adjusting them the way you want, you can group them again by just simply holding Shift and selecting all the letters and grouping them together again. Something else you may want to do with your text is flipping it. You can flip it horizontal or vertical or upside down, however you like. If you don't like how something worked, just click on the back button there and that will undo your last thing. Another fun feature is adjusting the curve of your letters. This doesn't seem to be an option with this font, so we'll pick another font that we can do that with. And if you want that to be pointed down or up, you can adjust that like that. If you think your letters are too far apart, you can adjust the letter space by clicking that, and that will make them closer together or further apart. And if your text went on two different lines, you can make that closer together or further apart as well. Once you are happy with the way your text looks, you can click on Make It and go ahead and cut it out. And that is some different features for using text in Design Space.